Hi everyone, welcome back to Oxford Vapours. I'm Amber and today we're going to be talking about the difference between charging internal batteries and charging external batteries using an external battery charger. We're going to dive up and close and personal, take a look at the two devices that we've got here and talk about them a little bit. So let's go. This is the BP80, it's an internal battery mod. So with internal battery mods, all you need to do is grab your charging cable, plug it into the USB port. They're usually on the side or at the bottom of the device. Plug that into your wall plug with the USB end, so that just goes straight into there. And then just check the specs on your plug. So 1 amp for this one. Some devices take 2 amps, but just make sure you are charging with a plug that aligns with the charge rate of your device for safety purposes. If you're using an external battery mod, you will be using one of these. With this, all you need to do is take your 18650 battery and you pop it straight into the device like this. Plug this into the wall and then your screen will display how charged your battery is and let you know when it's fully charged. Just note, if you are using 18650 batteries, if they aren't in your charger or in your device, they do need to be in a battery case for safety. So that was the up close look at charging internally versus externally. One thing to note with an internal battery is if you're charging it and you're using the charge port, which you will be, make sure you don't push your lead in too hard, or you're too rough with it. It can damage the charge port and then you will be in trouble because you won't be able to charge your battery. And you can't take the batteries out of those ones. So again, you've got to be careful when you're charging it, not to be too rough with the charging port. Also with the external battery charger, just remember if your 18650 batteries that go in your device aren't in your charger and they're not in your device, they need to be in a battery case for safety. Apart from that, that's everything you need to know. Hope this video was helpful, and if you did enjoy it, please like and subscribe and check out our other videos on all things vaping. Take care.